Mina had $652 and Jane had $1,445. After both of them spent an equal amount of money, the ratio of money Mina had left to that of Jane was 2:7. How much did both of them spend altogether? Now, this is a keyword for this question: spend an equal amount of money, which suggests that this is actually a difference unchanged problem. Alright, so in the after case, Mina is to Jane, this will be 2:7. And we can actually find the difference in the amount of money, which is 7 minus 2, that would be 5 units. Alright, now this 5 units, which is a difference in the after case, is also the same as the difference in the before case. So what is the difference in the before case? This will be 1445 minus 652. So when we do this subtraction, 1445 minus 652, we'll get $793. Now this will represent 5 units. Okay, we can find how much Mina had at the end, which is 2 units. 793 divided by 5. So that would be 158.60, and Mina had 2 units of money in the end. So that would be 317.2. Okay, so Mina, you see, from this amount it became this amount. So how much did she spend? So Mina spent from 652, it became 317.2. So that would be 334.8. So total spent, how much did they spend altogether? Since both of them spent an equal amount, so total spent, you just need to take this value that you just found and you multiply this by 2, and we get $69.60. Final answer for this question.